Ever wonder why mosquitoes seem to target you, while others don't get a single bite? Let's dive into why these tiny pests find some people so irresistible while others are spared. First, let's clear something up: only female mosquitoes bite. They need the protein from our blood to develop their eggs. Males, on the other hand, stick to nectar in plants for food. But why do mosquitoes seem to pick certain people? It's mostly due to your body's chemistry. Things like carbon dioxide, body heat, and the bacteria on your skin make some people more attractive to mosquitoes. While some studies suggest blood type might attract more mosquitoes, there's no conclusive scientific evidence to fully support this idea. And yes, mosquitoes bite animals too. They follow the same rules, targeting those with warmer body temperatures and certain odors. Worried about mosquito bites at night? Well, mosquitoes are active during both the day and night. Different species bite at different times, so there's no time of day you're fully safe. And these bites aren't just annoying. Mosquitoes can spread serious diseases like malaria, dengue fever, and Zika virus. So it's not just a matter of itching, it's about staying healthy too. So, next time you're outdoors, take precautions. Mosquitoes may be small, but the consequences of their bite can be big. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.